Hi everyone, welcome to the third section, AR Scavenger Hunt, Project Planning and Design Architecture. In this video, we are going to discuss about the GDD, which stands for Game Design Document. The Game Design Document is one of the most important market standard tool to stay focused on the development process. The Game Design Document is nothing but a document which helps us to give the progressive view to all members of the team, including designers, developers, and even producers and stakeholders. This game design document helps us to organize ideas from the different members of the team and presentable as a game. The design document is also to help us to maintain in the development process and to stay focused. Instead of talking a lot about the game design document, let's see how to utilize it for our project. For the game design document, we used in this project in the resource section. This is the game design document we are using in AR Scavenger Hunt. First, game identity mantra. This is a core mechanic of our game. This scavenger hunt core mechanic is to play the scavenger hunt game in the real world using augmented reality, ARKit. And the second is the design pillars. We need to define core design pillars for our game to find clues in the real world as the design pillar. For instance, it is a strategy based game because they need to find the clues they need to organize the clues, and they need to use the collectibles to open the treasure. What are the features? One of the preliminary features is game input to get data from the real world. You can scan images and get data from the images. You can scan 3D models, or you can scan objects to get data from the real world objects. This is the main feature in our game. What is the interface? The interface is nothing but an input system on how to use the interface to interact with this application. We can interact through touch gestures, but moreover, we can give input by scanning objects in the real world. By scanning images and objects, we can get clues to the game and can progress on. For instance, if we scan a white painting, this may give us a key. Thereby, getting input from the painting, we can use the key brought from the real world image onto the real world object. This is the interface in our application. What are aesthetics? Aesthetics is making a static image or objects getting life in our real world in the game, and we will allow them to interact with real world objects, thereby giving immersive realism to the game. And finally, this is a strategy based game which will immerse in the real world and can use strategy to find treasure in the real world. Music and sound. We are using single sound source in our application. During animating the pictures, we will give voice to the paintings. This is the only music and sound we are using in our application to retain the user's attention. For the technologies used, we are using Unity 2018.3 and ARKit 2.0 image tracking and object recognition features. For this prototype application, this level is enough for a document. If you wish for more, you can add more images. Don't try to put all the information in the game design document, otherwise you might waste time in documenting itself. So be focused and keep it simple, track by track. And that's the end of this video.